Hi guys, are you looking for the best home printer? In this video we will show the best home printer. So we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 home printers you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews and compiled a list of the best home printers from reputable brands. After much research I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. The Bluetooth Thermal Shipping Label Printer. Sick of sloppy ink and tricky shipping labels? The Bluetooth Thermal Shipping Label Printer is what you need to revolutionize your small business or part-time venture. It is a wide-ranging 4x6 wireless printer. Have the liberty to connect in 2 ways, either through Bluetooth or USB, which is compatible with Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac. It also prints hard, 203 dpi labels in under a second, entirely ink-free and toner-free with the help of high-tech thermal technology. No additional spills or blocked print heads. It is lightweight and weighs 1.59 pounds and can be conveniently carried to print on the go. Shipping labels, barcodes and addresses can be built easily with extensive platform support. Our support and handout guides make our customer service very easy. Place your order and optimize your work process. Likewise, 4x6 thermal label quantity is assigned randomly. Number 2. The HP SmartTank. Endless ink cartridges should be stopped. The HP SmartTank 7301, the wireless all-in-one printer that is designed to maintain the ultimate printing experience at home and office, will be introduced. It is not just a printer, but a 2-year print system that comes with all the ink in the box, up to 8,000 color pages. Use the power of HP AI to automatically format web pages and emails, intelligently delete the unwanted content to make clean and professional prints each time. Easy to print, scan, copy and fax with 2-sided automatic printing and a document feeder of 35 pages. Read sharp, view stunning and frame-worthy photos with unbelievable economical costs. HP is connected wirelessly and has an easy-to-use app that allows you to print on your phone or tablet. Forget the hassle of the cartridge and adopt hassle-free, high-volume printing. Number 1992, HP SmartTank 7301, where smart meets unbelievable. Get yours and change the way you print. Number 3. Portable Printer Wireless. It is an ultra-compact printer that weighs just 1.58 pounds, so it can easily fit in your bag whenever you want to go on business, to school, or at home. The Bluetooth connectivity through the FoMemo app will allow you to print wirelessly on your phone and tablet, laptop or PC without any problems, and USB will also allow it to interact with your computer. It has an advanced thermal technology, which prints without ink. No more dirty ink, toner or ribbons, just clear, high-quality prints on thermal paper. It has 1200 mAh rechargeable battery to print up to 140 sheets or last 1620 hours on continuous use, keeping you in the office. This printer is compatible with Word, Excel, PDF, JPG, and web pages formats, and thus allows the use of the 8.5 by 11 US letter size to accommodate any document requirements. Small, powerful and environmental friendly, the M08F allows portability to be experienced in printing, regardless of your location. Number 4. Canon Megatank G3270. Learn about the Canon Megatank G3270 all-in-one wireless inkjet printer, which is the ideal home printer that will take care of all your printing, scanning and copying requirements. It has USB and Wi-Fi connectivity, which provides the means of wireless performance without any hassle of your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. With Megatank refillable ink technology, this printer will ensure you can print up to 6,000 black and white pages, or 7,700 color pages using a single ink set. You will save up to $1,000 on ink expenses. Have access to vivid color print, crisp text and borderless text printing, and achieve professional quality prints in the comfort of your home. Its LCD display is only 1.35 inches and thus easy to navigate, whereas its Energy Star certification is a guarantee of efficient power consumption. The Pixma G3270 is compact, sleek and easy to maintain, and is made to be productive and save money. You are printing documents, schoolwork, or family pictures. Either way, this Canon all-in-one printer provides excellent performance, dependability as well as long-term utility in all your day-to-day printing requirements. Number 5. HP Envy 6455E. HP Envy 6455E is there to make your hectic family rethink the way they manage their documents, photos, homework, and creative work. This is an all-in-one wireless printer, which is easy to print, scan, and copy. Love saving paper? It even has self-printing on both sides. However, you are in the game changer with the 3 months of included instant ink with the activation of the HP. It will be as though you never run out of ink again. This subscription service will automatically keep ink sent to your door before you can run out. The HP app unlocks a convenient and comfortable world so that you can print, scan, and even fax documents directly through your smartphone or a tablet. The simple wireless installation and self-compensation Wi-Fi allow you to accomplish everything without much ado. Ready to simplify your life? Check out the HP Envy 6455E at work and get to know how to take your free ink. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.